Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to put a password on your PDF files. So let's get started. So here we are and we have this right here. This would be our PDF files for this example, and we're going to go into our browser first because we need to go into small PDF right here, and we're just going to type it with password protect. Right here, you just simply need to type it here in your search engine or in google.com, and you can find this link right here. Click on this right here, and now we have to drag the file right there, drag it right there. And after that, it's now uploading and it needs to some time. So it's working, and now we can type our password. So just 123 for the sake of it, for these examples. Click on protect, and now it's working. And now it would be automatically available for download once it's finished processing, and click on open. And now, as you can see, we would need a password to open this PDF file, which is 123 open file, and now we have it right here. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.